Hi everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. I just filmed a whole video, and when I went to edit it, it's completely gone. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know if I deleted it. I don't know if I possibly just sat here and thought I was recording. But it's very frustrating. So I'm going to kind of recap what I did. We are working on the Shabby Pink Dahlia junk journal, or journal, whatever you want. I'm using a journal kit. The journal kit is the Shabby Pink Dahlia journal kit by My Paper Bits, and the link for her store and the specific collection with the pink dahlias is in the description box. So last time we did do this fabric cover. This fabric is from the pre-cut section at Walmart. They are Better Homes and Gardens, and I believe this was a two yard cut. I have three of them. I got a blue one with looks like almost like blue roses, and I have one that has like a newsprint design. Just they have a ton of them, and very fun. So since I don't decorate with pink, and I love pink so much, I love to make pink journals or use pink collections and etc. So anyway, all you missed was that I had a mess with the glue, and I did add acetone, but I need to go in the kitchen and get a skewer so I can mix that in. There is a video on the Beacon website that shows how to thin down or to thicken your Fabri-Tac based upon your needs. So yeah, all I did was Google how to add acetone to your Fabri-Tac, and basically for a, I guess, 4 or 8 ounce bottle, they add like a half a teaspoon and they stir it. So I need to go get a skewer so I can stir it around, because it's kind of sitting there on top. I don't know if you can see that, and if I was to try and use the glue, it just come out liquid. It's not mixed in. So that's all you missed as far as the glue is concerned. I have not sewn in the signature. I will be sewing in the signature off camera. If you need to know how to sew in, I'm going to be using a 3-hole pamphlet stitch, and you can just search that on YouTube. There's a ton of videos on how to do it. But in getting started with the ephemera, what I wanted to do was, I'm using my list. Now, this is a printable. It's on my Facebook page. The information to my Facebook group is in the description box. And these come 4 to a page, and I just print them out, and I use these when I'm working on a journal just to jumpstart ideas for me. Sometimes I'll do everything on here, sometimes I won't. Sometimes I will say I don't want to do a left-right corner tuck, I'd rather do something else. And so it's a jumping off place for me, but it just helps me stay organized. And you can get this, it's in the file section on my Facebook group. Now, I know a lot of people don't do social media. If you don't have a Facebook, or if you don't use Facebook and you need me to email it to you, just send me an email to burlapanddailybread@gmail.com, and I will send you the file. Now, so anyway, I wanted to make an envelope and left-right corner flips. I decided not to do the corner flips. I just wanted to do some tucks. So I took one of the pieces of ephemera that was in the collection, and that was this one right here. It was a giant Rolodex card. And I trimmed off the part where it would connect to the Rolodex, and just kind of trimmed it so it was a rectangle 3 by 6, 3.5 by 6, and I cut it in half, and then I rounded these corners so that I have a corner tuck. And then all I did was add some eyelash yarn, and I have this eyelash yarn. I got it on Amazon. If you want the link to this, let me know. I'm not sure it's in the box or not. If I think about it, I'll add it. But I bought these 8 in a pack. It was not very expensive. And but I used to buy it at Dollar Tree all the time, and I just haven't been able to find it for a long time. I finally ran out of what I had, so now I'm good again. But I love the eyelash yarn, and I'm going to double check. It says it's recording, so oh goodness, I did use my Pixie ink to go around the outside because I just feel like it finishes it. And I know I said I wasn't going to ink, and you don't have to ink if you don't want to. I like to ink because I feel like it finishes. And I don't ink every page or every item, but sometimes I do. Now this one happened to be cut. It had white edges, and so I inked it with the Pixie. And like I said, I added the eyelash yarn, and then I had these flowers, which I got from Dollar Tree, and they come in white. Oh, they come in white, and all I did was take my ink pad with, and I happen to have these domed ones this time because that's all they had at Hobby Lobby when I went, but I just twist that on my ink pad and then just kind of daub this on until it's the color that I want. Sometimes they're white in the center, and that's okay with me. If you want it darker, like perhaps like this one, you can press down harder, you can keep inking, whatever. I like that these come in white, and then you can do what you want to them. So that's what I've added to the top of the eyelash yarn and made these two. This is counting as my right and left corner tuck. And then I used just some of my tan paper, and I hope I did these the right direction. Yeah, it looks like. Okay. I used some of the tan paper and made an envelope with my envelope punch board. These started out at 8 1/4. We scored at 3 3/8 and made the envelope, and you know what that means if you have an envelope punch board. If you don't, just use any envelope that you have, or just fold a piece of paper and glue up the sides. There's no right or wrong way to make an envelope. But I took some more of the eyelash trim here and a couple of the little labels from the collection and added another one of the flowers here. So that's going to be my decorated envelope that I will probably just paper clip over the top of one of the pages. Now I am doing one signature. I think we have 21 pages. So I like to do my ephemera 2 pieces, and I put one in the back. Whatever the page is that I'm working on, I'll put one on each side. And so I usually do 2 pieces of ephemera for each one. So that's it. It was a longer video than this one, but unfortunately it disappeared. So next time we will be working on some, I do want to do some longer side tucks, maybe some flip outs, and then a couple of pockets. So let's see, I can mark off that I did the decorated envelope, and I can mark off that I have the left and right corner flips. And we will just keep working from there. So I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.